How to change and edit your avatar on your Reddit. So in this video guys, I will tell you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first you should go and open your Reddit. Then you have to come directly and open your profile and go directly to your settings. So right here on your settings, you should come to Style Avatar, and as you see here, you can explore still. If you wanna change your avatar, just click on it, and for example you wanna change the bottom, just click, and as you see, it's changing. That's it in this video. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch, and I'll see you in another